So today we're actually gonna be bringing this car out. We are gonna go get it smogged, and it's pretty much already registered after we smog it. Here he got his temp tags, so we just have to put that on the back window. For those of you guys don't know, you guys need those if you guys aren't smogged and everything. In California is really strict. But yeah, he's putting the battery in right now, and then I just gotta pull my car out, and we're gonna have to maneuver the car out. So I'm gonna use the jack and just pull his car towards that, or towards this side, because you guys can see there's a tent. So what we're gonna do is probably like in a couple of days or something, cut this, trim it and shit, so we could make it hang or something, and then drive the car, and just pulls in the way at the moment. And just gotta pull my car out and take off all the junk that's underneath right now. And I'm gonna be driving the car first. Gonna be driving to the smog place, and then after that bring it to parking lot. See, my brother can still drive stick. It's been so long for him, so we will see. And guess what? You can finally drive my car now, because he's insured under my name. So yeah, I'll let him drive this B-Series, see how he feels about it. And yeah, got the battery down. All right, we are taking this thing out. I just got the car sitting right there. I'm gonna pull this car back in the garage, and then just gotta clean up all of this junk. Yeah, but very, very excited. Are you excited? Hell yeah! He's got his plate right there just for now. Don't want to get pulled over or anything. This car does still have expired tags. We should be getting the tags probably sometime tomorrow, I think, after we smog it. Damn. Super clean. That's alright. Guys. Oh my god, full detail. We need that battery jumper just in case. But yeah, that's how you do it. Alright, time to move the car out. Alright. Alright, you want to record? Yeah, you can record. You can record right now. Alright. I'm gonna take a picture. Hey, how come your camera's blurry? Is it me or your... Oh shoot, look at it, it's like nothing. There we go, it's too bright. Brother did not use the camera, you know what I'm saying? But white is really hard to shoot. Oh my god, it's so dirty. I gotta clean this when I get back. Way back, caught up in confusion, need a resolution. Can we find our way back, way back? You did? Yeah. Oh, I guess my brother needs to relearn. Yeah, you need to redo. You need to relearn. Now we gotta go on the hill again. You know how to drive on hill. But just gonna put this in here for now, like this. Realign it later. Now we're just gonna go get that thing smogged and run a couple errands also. Damn, that is so nice sitting outside. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So I am driving my brother's car right now. It has a Y7 in it. I forgot how good a single cam feels sometimes. And this thing is comfortable too. Try to warm up the cat right now so we can go smog the car. And it should for sure pass smog with no issues. Should I do both? I Actually, no, we'll wait till we smog it. But yeah, it's nice. I know you guys want a good walk around this car, so I think after we smog the car, we'll bring it to the beach or something, and then I'll do a full walk around you guys, or full walk around for you guys of the car, because I mean, I always been doing it inside the garage, but now it's outside. You guys can finally see how bright the white paint is on this car, and the brakes kind of suck compared to my spoon calipers. So we might have to re-bleed the brakes. We're gonna do oil change after smog also, and probably like little things right now. But yeah, out in Mira Mesa, adjusting the dampening because that thing's been so long, so the car is really riding a little bit bouncy in the rear. So we're just bump it down a bit. That thing's too stiff. But look, check it out. Look at that, boys. Photo is finally out. I miss seeing this thing out. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so hard to take photos of his car because it's super white. You can't even tell. Alright, we're gonna go get some Jamba Juice, and yeah, I'll just put you guys away in the meantime. My brother's driving out, so some bad news. We couldn't pass smog because the car has been sitting for 3 years. We turned it off frequently, but I guess since the car has been sitting for 3 years, it wouldn't, the evap system wouldn't like show up, like it'll show up as uncompleted at the smog place. So we have to drive the car for roughly like 100-200 miles and then reset the evap system. And yeah, I think because the battery kept dying, so the ECU kept just turning off or resetting. But yeah, my brother's driving now, and I guess we're just gonna bring the car back home and then probably smog it tomorrow when we bring it around more. I'm just cruising. Here's a little inside. You got the JDM ashtray, goes down. There you go. And I got the K20 shifter. Honestly, driving this car, I kind of missed the K20 shifter because of the short throw, but I do have a new shifter coming in, so stay tuned for that. And I think he might sell the steering wheel if you guys want one. 320 keys racing. But yeah. Damn, it's slow, huh? Yeah, my brother says it's slow. Don't worry, once the K goes in there, it'll be game over. We're back home now. Got the hatch in the center of the garage. It's kind of cool having it in the garage like this now, so I can actually like work on the car in the garage. But we're still gonna bring that car inside. And right now it's kind of complicated because of this tent and the way they made our house is so weird. So trying to guide a car in, our tent hits it, and also like there's steps right here. So we're gonna take off this bar and then hang it from somewhere like on there or something, so it could be pretty much clear, so we could pull the car in and drive it right in. But for now, it's gonna take some time. But yeah, we're gonna put both the cars inside. Just gotta reposition cars, and we're gonna try and make it easy for us to like go in and out and everything with 2 cars in the garage. So yeah, but that's it, and I'll keep you guys updated on the smog. I think that's the end of this portion of the video. I might add more to it later, but yeah, it's kind of cool having my brother drive again. And I think we might be going to the Just for Fun pop-up meet, but I think this video will be out after then. So yeah, this video might be out before then, or after then, I mean. But yeah, super bright. Today is Wednesday. I don't have my watch on, so I don't know what date it is. John is coming down right now from Rancho Cucamonga to drop off the K20 Z3 that my brother bought. So thank you very much, John. I will show you guys when it gets here. But it's not here right now. He is on the way. Literally, I think he's like 30 minutes down or 30 minutes away from my house right now. And I did put the SR lit back on. Just wanted to change it up a little bit, you know. And then my brother's car, we actually went to go get a new battery this morning because the battery for this was so dead that the alternator couldn't even charge it. The battery couldn't even hold a charge. So now it's good with a brand new interstate battery. Pretty expensive for an interstate battery nowadays. And yeah, look at that. And I'll throw in some roller footage right now from my phone.
Damn, brother, so clean.
So that's that, and yeah, now we're just waiting. Yeah, we cruised up this morning to get the battery and everything, and honestly I missed that feeling of just cruising together. I kind of wish this car was faster so we could, like, you know, do some pulls to each other, but eventually that K will go in, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. But oh moly, well, we gotta wait till John comes here and I'll show you guys when we get the motor. But for now, you guys can just look at this green thing. Been getting a lot of love on Instagram lately after my friend Asco shot the car. So yeah, huge shout out to Asco, thank you very much. And all right, now to play the waiting game. Also, thank you very much to everybody that ordered a decal, or I mean a sticker. I really appreciate it. I already shipped out a lot of them and I still have a couple left. So if you guys want some of those, just check out the link down here and you guys could purchase it if you guys want to. And I did put mine right there behind my bucket seat. Kind of like it right there, but I might just, yeah, pretty cool. So thank you very much, guys. If you guys want one, it's up to you guys, so feel free. Hey, swap this here. I think you're good. Damn. Ooh boy, look at that K. Are you happy? Yeah. I guess not, because it's still in the car. Dang, it's got hella activity.
It's a bitch to unload it, just so you know.
Yeah, no worries.
The hoist is...
Ooh boy, look at that.
Yeah, they took out the axle. So that one. Play with this because I don't want to.
Oh yeah, you don't want to scratch it when it's already scratched?
Yeah. Right. Okay. Alright, so there's a way to hold this. Grab here. Here, do not grab this.
Yeah, I know.
It's heavy.
Legs.
It's heavy, just so you know. Okay? Can you do
Why
it?
don't two people hold it here and one person hold it in there?
Yeah, that's what you usually do.
Yeah, there's three of us.
We could all slide it down this way. Just grab it here when it goes down. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Just when you tilt it, be careful. So right now, it's gonna tilt. No, grab right here. No, don't grab that. Grab here.
Well, my hands can't reach over there.
Right here. Okay, and then you grab it there. Ready? Tilt. Tilt it down. Okay.
Oh fuck!
Be careful.
That cardboard was slippery, bro.
Duh. And you have to push.
Okay, hold on. I'm use my back against this.
Yeah, well, don't use your back. Use your
I mean
legs.
my
Trust
body.
me. Well, try. Oh, you're doing your feet?
Yeah.
That works. Get ready? Go.
Good?
Well, the cardboard kind of slid, but yeah, go. Keep going. Stop.
Bro, that shit's heavy still.
Go a little more. That's fine. Go. Ready? All right. There. Now we can get the chain on it.
My car just went oil cooler.
That's literally everywhere, so I wouldn't even try.
You just have it on that one?
No, and that one. It's on the trend. Right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, okay. Oh, get the dolly.
It can be under that.
Oh, here. If you don't want to scratch the valve cover.
No, it's fine, it's cool.
You sure? Not here.
Blue and yellow.
There, alright. You can get out of there. Oh, just hold it, yeah.
I was gonna guide it out. Hey, Jack. Oh, wait. Alright, go ahead. A little bit.
You have to go like this more. Yeah, right there.
Whoa. That's super sketch.
Why is it?
Wait,
Why is
let
it
me
sketch?
see.
It's not sketchy. No, it's
Okay, my bad.
on
My
the
bad. I don't trust Harbor Freight shit sometimes, okay?
It is a Harbor Freight hoist.
Okay.
Freight,
And this
sponsored.
guy's, yeah. Sponsor.
There you go. It matches the dolly.
The valve cover?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's just hard to push. I think because
Oh, God.
dude, I think because there's no bearings. I told you.
There's no bearings on the wheels?
I don't think so.
Yeah, let's go. Where we're going, in there?
Yeah. Hold on.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's been so long, dude. Watch out, what are you doing, fool? You hit the pool.
You're gone. That's it.
Alright.
Oh, shit. Ready? Hey, it rolls smooth once it rolls, though.
Yeah, but not when it's stuck. Alright, now it should be easy to roll.
Oh, I need my hoist. I need my chain.
You need your microfiber?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god, look at all this dressed up hardware. See that? I can't even twist it out of my hand unless.
The gun in my tool bag has that socket for that.
Okay. Thank you very much, John.
You're welcome.
Welcome, Mr. Goldie.
I put the time lapse sticker on the back cover.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Huh?
I want to put this time lapse sticker on the back cover.
It's too. Well, we need the cover. Well, we'll see. So there's some things we have to change out and buy some stuff, of course. But Peripherals is gonna get shipped to us. It does have full downstart hardware everywhere. But check it out. You got the Juanitos.
Change your price to that? Relax, take one of those, please.
Who?
It's just got nothing on it. I know. Real quick 5 I know. A bumper.
Lucky, shut up.
Bumper.
Hey, where's my banner at?
Hey, I did see your video today. Hey, you got matte black vinyl? I know. Like this?
Keith, do you?
No.
You don't have gloss.
Fucking matte mine. On what?
Hey, John, it's Honda House.
Oh, I know. This is Honda House.
Honda House. A Toyota House.
What is Honda House? What is that? Hey, you know the Just for Fun IG? What's Honda House? You're welcome. Thank you.
What are you talking about? I sold it to him.
I know. And everybody was like, how do we start following these guys? I'm following a group of people too. No, you know that's what happened with Real Seek? They used to be the Akibono page. Oh. In the US Akibono page. Yeah, and then Christian Real Seek. That's why he already got followers. Yeah.